C'est vrai, c'est rien de formidable. Seulement des caresses et des poils. Tu minautes quand je te touche. Tu fais semblant d'être farouche.
Hey guys, it's Kiara. Long time no see, and today I have a very exciting video for you. And I know, papalit-palit ako ng background. You see, I'm a nomad. No, seriously, I'm always on the go. I have all my life packed in this one little bag. Even my dry shampoo is here. My toiletries, it's all packed in this one little bag just in case I need to move out. And just so you guys know, a girl's gotta change. A girl's gotta move. A girl's adventurous like that. And wala lang, it's just better to be in a lot of different places in your life. We have a place here in the province. This is my parents' place, and we also have a place in Manila. That's my sister's place. I can go back and forth whenever I want to, whenever bored na ako here, or I need to hang out with some friends and go to Manila. This is what I do. I just grab my life and go. And since I'm always on the go, it's been pretty confusing and nakakainis because I would always have these things but they would go missing and it's just so messy. I'm not for it now. Kasi ang dami kong mga damit na gusto kong suotin but I can't find now. Dami kong mga gamit, hair products, makeup that always goes missing, and I wouldn't be able to track every single one. I would want to have an inventory if I could of all my things and actually just have a stable place. So ayun na nga, I decided to stay at my parents' house longer here in Bulacan. Yeah, I'm just hoping for the best and time to settle down, I guess. So, I guess this means that I'm in the need of a room for all my content creation needs. If you haven't followed me on TikTok, you should. Also on Instagram, I'm always open if you want to DM me or something. I guess this is the room. It's a little bit oldie, vintagey, because my parents renovated this way before. I do see a lot of potential in it. It's not ugly, it's kind of amazing because the walls are already in the color that I want them in. It's a little bit light yellow, and some of the walls now have the popcorn effect to it, which means that it's texturized. But there is a part of the room right there at the back, and it's just makinis. It's smooth and patag lang siya. It's plain, and I'm thinking of renovating that or adding some pop into it because it's a little bit plain for me, and also because I want that to be my corner, my background for all my content creation, so it needs to be pure white. The only thing is the floor. The floor, I just don't like it. It's a little bit too old for me. Also, the furniture looks nice and clean. It's in the color that I like, also very plain, clean, and so I guess that's gonna be the only annoying part. There are a lot of people here, so I might just get annoyed by the people. I also like the white accents. So if I put a white brick wall right there, it will be all white and clean and nice and dainty. I envision a boho aesthetic of this room and the golden hour room with all the plants and Nordic touches, the dark brown accents, but still is light enough to be a closet, office, or studio. I wanted it to be homey but aesthetic, but not blinding enough that you can't really see, super light everywhere. I want it to be homey, yellowish-y, golden hour, just warm, cozy, just feels like you're at home stuff. If you want to see more of how I do this, then just keep on watching. So before we renovate, we have to clean the room, which I don't think has happened to this room in a very long time. And so yeah, I'm starting off by sweeping the floor and removing unnecessary things like this shoe rack and a very old and abused box full of clothes. And yeah, I'm making sure it is tidy before we put on the new floor. And by the way guys, this box full of clothes and also the things that I'm going to declutter, I might just have a giveaway. So if you guys are interested, just stay tuned to my channels.
Comment t'aimer si t'es pas chat dans les peulages du monde,
So the floor that I chose is this vinyl tile from Shopee, which costed only 20 pesos. 20 pesos lang siya. It's super worth it. And if you try to buhat a single tile, it's may kabigatan pa siya. So from that, you can tell na it's high quality talaga. And I think it's perfect because it gives off the illusion that it is real wood. It feels like it too. So it's pretty long also, so to avoid over under ordering, you better measure your floors first if you're planning to use this. And in my case, I did. I measured my tiles, sukat ng floor ko with a measuring tape, and sakto naman yung tiles na in-order ko, and I ordered around 112 pieces.
Dans les pelages du monde, je glisserai mes doigts. Comment t'aimer, toi mon pacha? C'est l'effeulement du monde, c'est tes griffes, etc.
And then I proceeded with the brick wall, and this is just a plain white brick wall since I wanted this the wall right here to be plain white. So I got this from Shopee too, and I actually got everything from Shopee, so the links will be up in my bio. You can check all of it out if you fancy any of the items that I bought. And yeah, so this brick wall is fairly thin. It's like crumpled paper with pasted Manila paper at the back. Yun yung nagpapasticky sa kanya, yung Manila paper back. And yung front niya naman, it's literally like crumpled paper. And I feel like it's really delicate. So, super importante na yung pagkabalot nito ng seller is talagang maayos. Kasi pwede siyang mapunit while in delivery. So for the price of 24 pesos each, I'd say it's super worth it na din since my mom told me this is 50 pesos in Divisoria. So I'm pretty happy I got a steal kasi mas matipid ang 24 pesos kesa sa 50. And then for the vanity and closet area, I don't plan to make any intense changes. It's literally yun na yun. Kasi I think the way na inorganize nila to nung una is okay na din siya. I don't need to move around anything. I just need to clean up all the unnecessary mess and old products. Super dami nito, guys. And I'm just storing all in a box or a storage and keeping it in the bodega downstairs. So the last touch, accessories. Time to put it all together and add all the missing pieces to the picture. So let's start with the plants. This is crucial. According to my mood board, I should put a heck ton of fake plants, by the way. And I say fake because I don't know how to take care of life other than my own. This area will be the background of my videos, aka it needs to be polished, just clean, white, not so, like, very well decorated. That's what I mean. And I'm adding this clothing rack also that I got from Shopee for this amount. I forgot. I'm just gonna put it on the screen. But before that, an extreme assembling moment has to happen.
Et puis tu soupires et j'excite tes vibrisses. Tes rétines deviennent mon calice. Et c'est bien, c'est tout de te titiller mon minou. Comment t'aimer si t'es pacha? Dans les pelages du monde, je glisserai mes doigts.
I think this dark wooden mirror adds a boho and vintagey vibe to the whole room. So I'm putting it right there, and voila, I think it completes the whole aesthetic.
Griffes, etc. t'aimer, toi mon pacha. Dans l'origine du monde, je frotterai mes doigts. Mes doigts ronronnent, viens mon chacha. C'est ma peau dans tes ongles, c'est tes griffes, etc.
I'm so happy on how it turned out. It actually turned out just the way I wanted it to be. And actually guys, right now, I'm not using any ring light. Meron lang ako yung just 2 light that's on in my room. All of this is coming from outside, real lighting, and it's even cloudy outside because umuulan na nga ngayon. Wala lang guys, I'm so happy kasi, and I'm also grateful, especially because I couldn't have done this on my own and I had help from my parents. The best part of this whole project is that it only costed me 4,000, and for me that's super sulit na because everything, I mean besides the mirror, the carpets, everything, yung furniture na pinakita ko from the beginning, all of this was included in the 4K. So that includes the tiles, and I ordered 112 pieces of it, the fake plants, the brick walls, this clothing rack right here. I'll just have a breakdown of everything that I spent, and all of this I bought from Shopee. So super sulit na talaga siya for me, and basically yung labor is free. So sa halagang 4K, pwede mo nang baguhin yung room mo into the type of aesthetic that you like. And I'll link everything down in the bio, so just in case you want to renovate your room also, or you're just interested in viewing it, you can check out the links down below. So yeah, hope you guys love this video, and I hope na medyo nakatulong ako if ever you want to renovate your own room. If you do enjoy this video, please make sure to like and subscribe. It would really help my channel out. Hope to see you guys next time. Bye!